Hey everyone, Sia here on Mobile Munch. Today, we're diving into the specs of the Vivo V40 Pro, a smartphone that boasts a stunning design, an insane AI powerful processor, and a versatile camera system, all at a competitive price point. Let's see if this phone lives up to the Pro name. Vivo V40 Pro comes with blazing fast refresh rate. The Vivo V40 Pro takes center stage with a gorgeous 6.78-inch AMOLED display. This display offers not only vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but also a smooth 144Hz refresh rate for a super responsive and fluid experience, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and scrolling through social media. With a peak brightness of 4500 nits peak, you'll enjoy clear visuals even outdoors on a bright sunny day. The display is protected by durable glass for added protection. Unleash the power with cutting-edge processor. The Vivo V40 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra 4nm processor, built on a 4nm process for improved efficiency and power. Paired with 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, this combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking. You can choose between 256GB or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage, ensuring you have enough space for your apps, photos, and videos. While it might not be the top-of-the-line processor, it offers enough muscle to handle most tasks with ease. Versatile camera system captures stunning moments. The Vivo V40 Pro boasts a triple camera system on the back. The main 50MP sensor with OIS and PDAF is designed to capture stunning photos and videos, even in low-light conditions. The 50MP ultra-wide sensor with autofocus and 50MP ultra-wide sensor included. Features like a ring LED flash, panorama, and HDR allow for creative photography. The phone can record videos in up to 4K resolution at 30fps. On the front, a 50MP selfie camera ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Both the main and selfie cameras can record videos in up to 4K resolution at 30fps. Designed for the modern user. The Vivo V40 Pro boasts a sleek design with a glass front and back. A fingerprint sensor under the display provides convenient security access. The phone comes with an IP68 water and dust resistance rating, providing peace of mind against splashes and submersion in water. Long-lasting battery with fast charging. The Vivo V40 Pro packs a 5500 mAh battery, promising long battery life on a single charge for most users. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 80W wired fast charging, which can reportedly get you to 100% in just 50 minutes. Perfect for those who are always on the go. The phone also supports reverse wired charging, allowing you to use it as a power bank for other devices. A stylish mid-ranger with impressive features. With a starting price of around 49,990 rupees expected, the Vivo V40 Pro offers a compelling package for users looking for a stylish phone with a high refresh rate display, a capable camera system, and a long-lasting battery. The phone boasts a sleek design, water resistance, and fast charging. While the lack of a micro SD card slot might be a drawback for some, the overall feature set is impressive for the price. Are you looking forward to Vivo V40 Pro? Looking for a phone with a beautiful display, a capable camera system, and a long-lasting battery? The Vivo V40 Pro might be worth considering. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Vivo V40 Pro. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.